How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. So for that, first of all, you could try updating. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in WhatsApp and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. The other thing you also want to do is you have to long press onto the WhatsApp application and go ahead and click on the I button. So usually this sort of issue occurs when you have not enabled permissions. So go to permissions and make sure that all of these options are enabled. And similarly for the notifications as well, you want to make sure that the button is toggled on. And this is how you could fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. So if the issue still persists on, then you could also try restarting your device and see that should be able to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. So that is all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.